HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us determine the mode. Here we have a large set of ordered scores. The first thing we need to do is count the frequencies for each score, and indicate those frequencies above each group of scores. Let's start by putting a bar above all the ones and then counting up the frequencies. There is only one 1, so the frequency is 1. We put the frequency of 1 above the 1 bar. Let's continue by putting a bar above all the 2s and then counting up the frequencies. There are 3 2s, so the frequency is 3. We put the frequency above the 2 bar. Let's continue this process for all the scores, placing the frequencies above the bars which group each score. To find the mode, we look for the highest frequency, which is 5, the frequency of the 8 score. The mode is 8. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.